This is my 2003 ZX6R. It's the 636. Had it for about 6 months. Ran great. No problems. But I noticed that over the time of me owning it, when it gets warm and I turn the bike off to get gas or whatever, when I try and turn it back on, it chugs like the battery's low. When it's cold, it starts up fine, but now it just doesn't start up at all. Doesn't even really turn over. That's fine. You can hear the fuel pump run fine, but when I click the start button, just get a clicking noise. Got my voltmeter hooked up to the battery. It says 12.15. But that clicking noise is definitely coming from this right here. I checked the fuses, everything's good in that sense. So when I click the button, it just clicks once. Here's the voltmeter. When I try to start it up, so I'm not sure if or if the battery's just shit, or if the solenoid is bad maybe. I don't know if that's possible. And then I don't know if maybe it's just the starter itself. And then I wanted to ask you guys first, just in case if any of you knew, so I don't go buying parts that I don't need to. But like I said, it ran great. The only issue it started having was when it was hot. Like after riding and you turn it off to fill up the gas, try and turn it back on, it chugs like the battery's low. I would usually be able to get it to start, but this time it left me stranded at a gas station, had to get towed out, and now it just won't start at all. So if you guys know, please let me know what to try. Like I said, the fuses are good. The voltmeter says, well, I just disconnected it. Voltmeter says that it was 12, so maybe it's just a shitty battery. I'm gonna try and hook it up to this and see what happens. You know, I have it hooked up to a charger. We're gonna see if this helps. Still nothing. I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes and see if that fixes it. Alright, so it's been sitting about 5 minutes now. And try to start it up again. Sometimes I can get it to almost turn the motor over. That whining noise is the fuel pump. But that clicking noise is coming from this little box right here. And it still drops below 12. I don't know if that's an indication of anything. I don't know if this helps at all. I'm going to test to see if this is getting power. So I just checked with the voltmeter. These two right here are getting power. Like I said, the fuse is good. It's hooked up to a charger. And motor won't even turn. Just one click and that's it. I don't know what it is. If you guys have any idea, let me know. I appreciate it.